G'day YouTube. Sorry about this. Long time no videos. This time I'll be building ton more scooters, and I hope you guys like and subscribe to Big Doll Scooter Customs, please. And today I'm building not one but two scooters. Alright. First thing, grab your beautiful deck. There's no grip tape, but be in the next future 2-3 videos. Then I'll be able to show you how all your parents how to do your grip tapes from home. Alright, first thing is first. Your forks and your wheel in one hit. This one's pre-assembled. Doesn't matter how you do it. It's totally up to you guys how you can do. This is for all you parents out there. Alright. Grab your compression forks. Spacer. Get down a bit more. So it's more level. Mine, you get greasy hands. You might need an old t-shirt for this one. Doesn't matter how old it is. If it's got rips and tears, doesn't matter. Alright, your A-ring, big bolt. It's for your compression forks. Keep finger tight until fully tight, almost tighten. Always make sure grab your Allen key. If it fits in the Allen key bolt, it does, you're sweet. And I hope this video helps you guys out to get more of scooters built and stop these type of brand of scooters, including my scooter. Stop being thrown out. My goal is worldwide stop these beautiful scooters going scrap, and I hate to see them go down into tin cans. It's one thing I don't like. But this will be good in a few future videos if I can do for you. Alright, it's almost about done. Okay, your fingers can't grip it. Grab your Allen key. Let it slide. Bang. Tighten for yourself. See how tight you can get it. It's about there. Too tight. Loosen up a bolt bit. That's sweet. Loosen. This will be got your axles, your compression forks, and what's next to me is the gold bars with my old grip with my old grips, and it's been reused into these set of bars. These ones have not been used, but they look brand new. Here we go. Slide that in. Make sure you've got 4-bolt or 2-bolt you're using. Just let it slide in. Just like that. I'm just making sure it makes it look easy for you. Alright. Just pop that down beside you. Or hold it if you can. If you have kids needing help, make sure you ask your parents before proceeding. Make sure about there. Just tighten it up a bit there. Sure you don't over tight the bolts. Alright, we go. Up the, makes it easy for the future people. Any sort of donations you guys can help me out to future build more scooters, solid scooters, to be back out there living the life. What I hate seeing childhood kids scooters go to scrap or on the council cleanups. I hate them seeing them crushed and recycled into cans. Right. We're going, coming down. Mind the video shaking a bit. Hey presto. Make sure your bars are lined. Line. Same thing again. Top and bottom, make sure you tighten both. That's what big skirt like that's what Skirt Art showed me one of that top secret tricks. They showed me how to do it properly. That's good. Right, one final bolt. That's done. Don't mind, I already have put the back brake on. Some parts can be pretty easy to come by to make sure everything gets built and make sure it's good, tight, make sure everything works, fits nicely. This is for all the kids. Can make sure you build your own good scooters. Like and subscribe to Big Dog Scooter Customs, and huge shout out to Scooter Hut in Cannington for sponsoring this video. Peace out, mate.